This is Everyday BCS, and today I'll be showing you how to download and set up Visual Studio Code for web development. The first step is to download Visual Studio Code from the web. So you can do this by typing in Visual Studio Code into your browser, clicking on Visual Studio Code and clicking download for the platform that you are using. Once it is completed, open up the file. Once you've opened up the file, you will be greeted with a setup menu. All you need to do is click I accept the agreement and just click next for all of them, as we don't need to create any other settings. Once it is finished, just click finish and you should be able to open up Visual Studio Code automatically. Once Visual Studio Code is open, we're going to download two add-ons. The first add-on we're going to be downloading is called Prettier. So go to the Extensions tab and then type in Prettier. It should be the first option. It has around 40 million downloads. Click Install. Then once that's downloaded, we're going to go and download the next add-on, which is called Live Server. And this one has over 50 million, so just install that one as well. And while that's downloading, we're just going to move on to do the settings. So just click the gear down here and then click settings. And then we're going to change the autosave setting. So type in autosave. And then we're going to change it from on, which is off, which is your default, to on focus change. And then we're going to go to the tab size. And we're going to change the default from 4 to 2 here. So 4 to 2. As you can see, some of these settings I have already changed, but we're going to just continue going on. So the next setting we're going to change is the format on save. As you can see here, we're going to change it from off to on for you. And then we're going to go to the default formatter. So you can just type in format and both options will be here. And you want to change it from none, which is your default, to Prettier. Now once you've changed all of these settings, we're going to just do a quick test to make sure everything is working properly. And I'm just going to go to my desktop. I'm going to create a new file. I'm going to call it test, or a new folder. And we're going to just create a index.html file by clicking this little new file here. So I'm going to type in index.html. And I'm just going to quickly set up the file by clicking Shift-1 and clicking enter. And I'm going to just change it to test. I'm just going to put some HTML code in here by typing in a header. I'm just going to call this is a website. And once both add-ons are installed, we're going to go down to the bottom and we're going to click go live. And once you do that, your default browser should load up a page which allows you to preview your website. And any changes you make here, and then click save again, and we open it back up. As you can see, the change will reflect. And now you can move on to the rest of the videos.